Cut.
Oh, what you can say?
First,
Hi guys.
hi guys, for your dough,
We're gonna make first. We're gonna make
we're gonna make ice and then no and
we
mouth
make
and
we draw
a people.
we draw a person.
We draw a person.
First we make our eyes, we draw eyes, nose, and mouth, and the cheeks. And now we're going to make
Some here.
Okay, first what to
First,
do? Cut into strip.
yeah.
Okay,
My mom going to help me.
I'm gonna have my baby girl.
I love
I
you.
love you too. So sweet.
Mommy,
Time check is 10:25.
Mommy, they're not close.
Okay. Ouch. Open this kanina.
Not me.
Watch out, guys. We're going to make something.
Makeup. Let's do makeup. We're gonna do makeup.
Do you know? I saw this in TikTok shop. Someone sell like this in the TikTok shop.
One.
This one. I saw in the TikTok shop. Someone selling it now, so you can sell this or also. Oh my god. You have an idea to sell.
That ear.
Okay, I already make. What you do? You tell them.
First,
Now.
now you glue. I'm
You
gonna
put-
help me again.
You put some glue.
Mom can help me
Sure.
make it properly.
Oh, sure. Tampo lang.
Yeah.
Sa tampo. What means tampo is? You teach them. They don't know tampo. Tampo is, in
Tampo
English,
is little.
a little. So they know they know a little word of Chinese na, a Hokkien word. Tampo is a Hokkien word. You tell them, tampo is a Hokkien word.
Tampo is a Tian word.
Hokkien word. A Chinese word. Actually, mag-step na ha. Go to bed na ha. Sa bed ka naman ng tablet mo. Tada! We're going to paste it here. So it's gonna look like
Mommy, I can was in the bed.
later. You tell them what to do. We're gonna paste in the head. So it's gonna look like
First you place in the head, and then I'm going to like a person. So like me, I have long hair, and then it cut, and cut.
Ah.
Now it's like this. My hair is long.
yeah, we're gonna design
Look,
it.
cause it grows.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Can you please don't leave me here? Somebody's watching us.
even so was my wig.
Just sit down. Why is so hurt your legs? What happened?
I gotta work some.
Okay, can you paste and I'm gonna help you put and then you paste, okay?
But I know how to paste.
Just put like this. Together, mix and like that. How about you? Paste it. Need more?
Yeah. Only one.
Only one na lang.
Yeah, only one. Only.
Oops. Okay, show it to the tada.
Ta-da!
We're done. And we're going to
Do it, mommy.
it's mine.
It's okay.
Can I like this?
No.
Need long?
No, we need to cut it. Yeah, we cut it.
Okay.
It's okay, I'll dry it.
So sweet. I love you.
Mommy, tomorrow make this dry.
Yeah, tomorrow is gonna dry na.
We need to put it here. We need to put it in a side. Here's what I'm going to dry.
Okay. It's okay. Air
I
dry.
never dried.
Air dry is okay. Okay, air dry na lang yan siya.
Okay. Mommy, next time we're going to cut this.
Okay.
Okay, not now. We're going.
Next time na, not today. Oh, okay. Tell to your viewers. Sorry, guys.
So we can cut it.
Tomorrow na, okay?
Okay.
Say today. Tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow, okay.
Watch me out.
Walk me out.
Follow it. Subscribe mo na. If you
Bye.
want more video, follow it more.
Follow more.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Click on the, how to say that?
Press in the right button. You like both. You press 2.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Kubalit.
Yeah.